Good morning guys, today we are going to unbox Canon 800D or Rebel T7i. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and watch till the end. So let's start. Yes, as you can see, this is a 24 megapixel camera with dual pixel autofocus capability. That means it is much faster in terms of autofocusing. Digic 7 processor is used. It is much faster as compared to 800D also. Digic 7 processor comes with 45 autofocus points that really boosts the autofocusing capability. It is much faster as compared to 200D also, because 200D got only 9 autofocus points. The main advantage of this camera is it has got an articulated screen. That means vari-angle articulated screen. A touch screen is available with this camera. With this camera, a kit lens comes with this 18 to 55mm kit lens that got an aperture of 4 to 5.6. Yes, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is enabled in this camera. Also, it supports HDMI connectivity. With this camera, you can record full HD 60 fps videos. When you purchase this camera, you will get a 2-year warranty. With this whole kit, you will get a 16GB memory card. Inside this whole package, you will get a Canon 800D body, a kit lens, a strap, a battery charger and a battery. When I purchased, I got this camera at a price of 52,000 rupees. With this camera, I got an additional carry bag also. So guys, that's all in this video. We have covered the unboxing of Canon 800D.